sounds like tra-la-la-la, song in the shower, bro. You literally do.
You sound like ABC 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. I got Toto.
Okay. You sound like Cocomelon, bro. You sound like the You sound like the boy one, whatever. I don't know what.
I hope it gets a Sammy trait.
Bro still watches Cocomelon.
I don't watch Cocomelon anymore.
You do though.
Toto Sahur.
And you also watch those videos on YouTube Kids that go like head, shoulders, knees and toes, Like you're not like,
Lucky Block.
You're so babyish.
Lucky Block.
And you still like steal a brain rock. Like it's not even good.
It's good for you. Oh my god, Jack, hello, respawned.
Okay, what's this shit? How are you
Lucky.
Yeah, when he's pooping, yeah.
Lucky Block.
OMG, Jack, hello, respawned. OMG, Dragon. OMG, Dragon, hello, just spawned. No, the dragon got alone, they stupid. You're on the exit from the Shell Circus and you don't know how to exit. At least Pom Pom can exit. He exited until episode 8 and 9 and 10 and